Welcome man to Alphamantraining live videos. So June 7 today, yes. Yeah, June 7, 2020, pickup rapport. I will continue because it's now evening. I will go to doctors to see doctors to get drugs from my allergy. Allergy comes to my eyes, throat, so I need some drugs, medicine, and later on I will approach. But so what happened today? I was in the lake. I went to the lake, to the beach. Didn't see any targets, so didn't approach. Then I came back because it was very cloudy. I needed a sun. I wanted to tan my body, so it was not sunny. It was cloudy, so I skipped, and I came back. On a bus stop was a I can recognize she was a Polish girl because I did so many approaches. I did over my life, I don't know, maybe 100,000, I don't know, but it's a lot because I also shooted a lot of students. I recorded their approaches, so I relived that those also approaches. So she was a Polish. I noticed that from her clothing style and the way, she portrays herself. That's what will happen once you will approach such amount of girls. You will be able to say their nationality. Yeah. And I approached her, and she was going to work, but she really liked my approach. We scheduled tomorrow to meet. She now is a job. She will work 12 hours, so she will need to rest tomorrow. And if she will be on a mood, if she will rest enough, so we will meet tomorrow. What I liked, she liked what I do in the life, and the way I approach her. I like, her tits. Her tits are really big. Ass, not so much, but beautiful eyes. So we talked maybe 10 minutes, exchanged numbers, and I left. So just one approach today, but still, I approached a girl which I liked and in which I saw that I could make from approach to sex. You can approach a lot of girls during the day, but it just will be wasting of energy. So pretty much that's it today.